my God, I want a 69 Chevelle, my favorite car. Hi, I'm Michelle Doland and I'm from Newton, Iowa, and I won a 69 Chevelle and 50 grand from RestoMods.com. Sweet. Oh my God. I can touch it, right? Oh my God. Look at it, so shiny. Oh my gosh. And look at all the chrome. Beautiful.
What do you think? Does it look like it does in the videos?
Wow, it does. It's like, she's a beast.
It's a little bit different when you're standing right in front of it, huh?
Yeah, because I kept watching videos as you guys were making it, and I called it like the silver bullet.
Yep.
And
a lot
now
of people did.
that I won it, then I was like trying to think of a name for her, and I'm like, I don't know yet.
Silver bullet, that's a good
Silver
name.
bullet. Wow, look at all that. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to take it to car shows. Maybe I can drag race my brother.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Oh. Woo! Oh my God. Someone pinch me. Yeah, I took power mechanics in high school and I loved it. I was in my cheerleading outfit, working on cars. I drove a 1986 Chevy Sprint and I had fun with that. My phone rang and I'm like, okay, I'll just put it on silent, but it just kept going and going and I'm like, okay. Thinking it's the telemarketer or something like that. And then next thing you know, the second time, and I'm pushed silent again. And it just kept going and going. And I'm like, and the number popped up again. And I'm like, what? So I thought, okay, I'll answer it. And hey, this is Chris from RestoMods. And I'm like, what? Oh my gosh, yeah. This is Michelle. Yeah. You signed up in April. Yeah. And I'm like, I had no idea. And then we're calling the winners. So I'm like, I'm like, this is real, this is real. And then you said, oh, we're live on YouTube. And I'm like, guys, I'm live on YouTube. And so they're getting their phones out and trying to get on YouTube. Because I stood up and I was like shaking and I'm like, oh my God, I won a 69 Chevelle, my favorite car. And then all of a sudden you said, that's not all. And I'm like, what do you mean that's not all? That's the best part, you know? And you also won $50,000, and I just dropped to the floor, and I was crying, and I'm like, oh my God. It's the best gift. I'm glad that I signed up. Well, I'm gonna save the money until tax time comes around. Yeah. And then I'm also gonna fix up my Jeep for work. I'm also gonna try to build a garage. So it's right next to me. And then the rest I'm gonna invest in, take it to car shows. Sign up, try it, keep going. It might be you.
You never know, right?
You never know.
You never know.
I'm going to bet you that she will probably have this thing in the autocross at the Heartland Nationals next year.
I might fly out for that one.
Awesome, thank you. Thank you so much.
And it is real.
It is.
This
It's
is not a
real.
put on. This is a real shop, real people, real cars, a lot of talent.
I love old cars.